So me and TMBrandish are at one of TMBrandish's friend's house, and here is the air conditioner. It's a Payne. It's about to start up. We're gonna start it up for me. This guy's really nice. There it goes. Pretty quiet. Looks older. Let's get to the data sticker and we can see what year it's from. It's got one of those newer carrier data sheets. Let's see. Serial 3309X 62013. So I guess that's from 2009. Model PA13NR048-H 4-ton 13 SEER. Yeah, these Payne units just, I don't know, these things just get in bad shape quickly. I don't know. They're nice units. Someone in my neighborhood just got one like this. Hopefully it doesn't start rusting. The house was built in like the 1970s at least. It's old, but some houses had like roods and reams, and I saw a really old carrier unit. It's a pretty nice unit. It's pretty quiet. The neighbors had a Goodman, like a Goodman base model. Got a filter dryer. I don't know if it's a heat pump. Let's see. Straight cool. Assembled in Mexico. Nope, straight cool. Here's the disconnect. I got this little thing right here. I guess it's just in case the weeds get really tall or something like that, so you can walk. Alright, I'm gonna go tell him that he can shut it off. I'll be back. Hopefully this doesn't fall. His kids didn't want him to shut it off, but I told TMBrandish to go ahead and tell him to shut it off. They said that they just keep this thing off. They don't use it much unless it's really, really hot. So, yeah. And there it goes. Let's take a look at the compressor. I didn't do that before it turned on. Let's see what kind of fan motor it has. I'm guessing probably a GE. Yeah, it looks like a GE motor. Yep, GE. Let's see if we can focus. Come on. I'm trying to find something to focus on. It doesn't want to focus, but it does have a GE motor. There's the compressor. Oh, that's a Copland Scroll. This does have a good compressor in it. There you go, Copland Scroll. Alright. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a pretty nice unit. I guess I'll go take a picture of the supply vents, because they have actually some pretty neat supply vents for a house. They look like vents that you'd see in like a commercial building or something. Anyways, like at my middle school, they have those vents. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. This is the air handler. Let's see. I don't know, what's the light? I don't know. I guess there's not a light. But yeah, it's a Payne. Here's the return. There's the thermostat. I said the thermostat was in here. Oh, there's one of the filters right there. Payne. Nice little system. I don't know where the thermostat is, anyways.
I messed up.
This has been a 2014 BTU production.